and hot air balloon rides. In a bid to commemorate National Voter's Day and instill a sense of civic responsibility among the younger generation, the Office of the Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision, in collaboration with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, Ribhoy District, today organized the National Voter's Day Run in Patharkhmah. The run featured 3 categories. Participants, both men and women, demonstrated enthusiastic spirit during the event. Emphasizing the significance of the run, M.B. Tongper, Subdivisional Officer of Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision, highlighted that the purpose extended beyond the celebration of National Voters' Day. The election branch of West Jaintia Hills also celebrated the 14th National Voters' Day at Chuai.
Arson Trek, dipelong na marahil na Election Commission of India, isa ka Arson Trek. Isa na rin ka select pa sa ko. Kapdam ginisnat kung manikap bot. Mentang kasdam, manikap bot ba? Kata ni katim. Mentang di kasdam jom ka MP election. Di kanun na pila ka kasdam. Pasti. Terabun. Baru ka gabi sa bot. Pagkini ka bidang bro, hindi mo ang hayeng kasdam ba? Kini balik sa bot. Kumawang idan hakari India ka ba? Mahitam ka demokrasi. Kini ginawro ka di ka freedom run. Kimbare dapat ka kina idol. Pinem. Pengiyo baca bot yang banjir kinong teman. Kita katian ni singawi sepi Happy National Voters Day.